Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we're making today. CRUMBL's Gooey Kentucky Butter Cake Cookie. This is one of the best flavors you will ever try. And the fact that it's homemade, it's just like, you're gonna go crazy. Alright guys, so you're gonna start off this recipe with 1.5 cups of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Cream this together with 2 eggs and 3 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Once it's all mixed together well, go ahead and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And here is the secret ingredient. This is 1.5 cups of vanilla flavored cake mix. You could go ahead and use whichever brand you please. Lastly, add the baking soda, cornstarch, and salt. Mix everything up until the dough ball is formed. And don't forget that this complete recipe is always listed down below in the description box. We all know CRUMBL cookies are ginormous, so I'm scooping out 1/2 cup scoops onto a baking sheet, leaving about a 2-inch space in between. You're gonna bake these for around 15 to 20 minutes. It's really important, you guys, not to over bake these. So take them out when they're still super gooey in the center because they will set as they cool. I'm gonna press down to show you guys how gooey the centers still are. Now with the hot cookies out of the oven, it's time to make that heavenly glaze that gets generously brushed all over the top. This is just 1/2 cup of butter being melted down with some powdered sugar. This is that secret ingredient CRUMBL uses. You can smell the buttery scent. You know what I'm talking about if you've ever had their actual Kentucky butter cake cookie. I found this one at Michael's craft store, or I'll leave the link down below where you can get it from. Once it's all mixed in, brush it generously on the warm cookies, and this should crust after about 10 minutes. You guys, this glaze made the cookies taste exactly like a glazed donut. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, a taste test time. Oh man, this is really gooey. Let's have a close-up. That's the front. This is the back. Nice and golden and delicious. Break it open. Oh, yes. Woo! Cheers. Like nothing I've ever had before. The smell of butter. All right, this kind of reminds me of Paula Deen's gooey butter cake. If you guys have ever tried it, you know what I'm talking about. The glaze on the outside, it crusted, and it just has like the most wonderful little crunch with the gooey center. This kind of has that cake batter taste, but it's not too strong. It's just really buttery and delicious. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out some of my other CRUMBL copycat recipes down below. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.